Hello guys, this is Shady Forex, and today's video I want to show you guys apps you need in order to start forex trading as a beginner. Now, to start forex trading as a beginner, the first app you need is a broker. And getting a broker, you have to look for a reliable broker, a broker that you can easily withdraw and then easily deposit. For me, I think the best broker to use is SNES. Now, after a broker, you also need either a MetaTrader 4 or a MetaTrader 5. A MetaTrader 5 is the best for me, and I think it's best to place and also close many orders at a time. You use a MetaTrader 4 in order to analyze and also place your trade. And then you also need my Forex book. My Forex book is the app that shows you the news for the day. For example, for ICT traders and other fundamental traders, they use my Forex book. After making an analysis or analyzing the market, you also need to check the market to see if there will be volatility or any news that will affect the market. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more videos like this. Thank you.